So originally, the A3 will unlock the doors when you put it into park. Watch, check it out. So the car is currently locked. I'm gonna put it into park right now. You hear it just unlocked, and you see now it unlocked. And that is a safety concern for me. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how I disabled that feature. I will be using my laptop with the VCDS software and the VCDS cable. Plug the dongle side of the cable into the OD2 port down there. Plug the USB side into your laptop that has the VCDS program. Turn the car on, but do not start it. Open up VCDS. Go to Select Control Module. Go to 09 Central Electronics. Go to Security Access. Type in the security code. It's also given right there, 31347. Hit Do It. Security access accepted. Hit OK. Go to Adaption. Go to this drop down menu here. Scroll down until you find, it's not too far down, right here, Access Control Auto Lock NAR. Click that. Go to this drop down menu here where it says New Value. Click that. Hit Not Active. Go down here and hit Do It. And hit Yes. Controller accepted the request. We'll now read the channel again. Hit OK. And now it says Not Active. Go back. Close controller. Go back. Exit. Now let's test it out and see if it worked. All right, I'm gonna put the car in park, and you did not hear the door unlock. Double checking there, the door did not unlock. So if you guys have any further questions, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. Now, if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to help support the channel and for all the videos to come on the A3. I'll see you guys in the next one.